Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. Guys, I'll be showing you an alternative to fufu, that's swallow. If you want to eat swallow, if you still crave for swallow but you want to eat healthy, there are a lot of things you can use as your fufu, like cauliflower, broccoli. You can even use tiger nuts, you can use coconut, you can use almond to do your swallow. But today guys, I'll be showing you how to use your cauliflower to do your swallow. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Meanwhile, here is my cauliflower, because I went to the town yesterday and I saw that cauliflower is on sales, so I have to buy like 3 since I've started my healthy lifestyle. But today I'll be using one. I just quickly want to prepare this video with you guys, so stay tuned, do not go anywhere. This is gonna be a quick video. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, remember to give this video thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed. So let's get right to the video. I've washed my cauliflower, so the first thing I'll be doing is to remove the vegetable from the stalk. Once I'm done removing it from the stalk, I will use my knife to cut it into smaller pieces so it will blend easily in my blender. Then add a little bit of water in your blender and start blending till smooth. Then after that, you sieve out the water. If you don't have this type of sieve, you can use your cheesecloth, you can use chiffon cloth, you can use your stockings, new stockings to sieve out the water, okay? The essence here is to remove all the water from the cauliflower. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, you are much welcome to this channel. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Then once I'm done removing the water, you can see that it has the texture of garri. So I will start making my swallow, but I'll be dividing this into 2. So the first batch, I will make it to have a texture of pounded yam. I will not be adding any other thing apart from my binder, and I'll be using my psyllium husk as my binder, and I will be adding 1 teaspoon to this. Depending on the quantity you are making, you can adjust the quantity of the psyllium husk you are adding. If you don't have psyllium husk, you can use xantha gum. You can also bind it with some oat flour. So I will keep stirring it to combine everything together and to make it come together. Just keep molding at least 5 minutes. Meanwhile, have you thumbed up the video yet? Remember, you can also share out the video to your family, your friends and your colleagues, and sharing is free. So once I'm done, I will tie it up on a nylon and I keep it aside for a while, maybe 3 minutes, for it to rest for a while before I start eating it. Now we can move on to the next step. I will add my remaining cauliflower inside my pot. I ended up blending 2 instead of 1. So I'll be adding a little bit of palm oil. The palm oil added to it will make it have that garri look. You remember that yellow garri we do buy home? That's how this will come out. After adding the palm oil, mix everything together till it is well incorporated. Then once I'm done mixing everything together, I will add my psyllium husk. Because I'm making a bigger quantity, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk as my binder. Then I will mix properly and fold it together. Just continue stirring on a low heat till it comes together as fufu or as swallow. You see, mine is coming together already. I normally turn this for at least 5 minutes on a low heat to make sure it is well cooked. Then after that, you can tie it on your nylon, but I'll be tying this in 2 different shapes. Just like so. I will tie one using nylon just to make it form very well. I will leave it for at least 2 or 3 minutes before I start eating it. Let's take a look at these two, guys. Then the remaining one, I will just drizzle some olive oil inside my small plate, and I will use my brush to spread it around the plate. This will make it not to stick inside the plate. Then I will transfer it into my plate and use my spatula to spread it and push it down just to level it out a bit. Then once I'm done leveling it out, I will transfer it into another plate which I will be using to eat the food. And this is how it came out, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Now I will add my soup and enjoy my food. And that is it for today's video. You can eat this swallow with any soup of your choice. Bye, and see you in my next video.